Yes, you are welcome. And very quickly today, I'll be showing you how you can build a simple calculator using Python functions. Isn't that amazing? Remember I said in my last video, when you use print, it's like checking your bank balance, but you can't use the amount there. But when you use return, it's like using your card to, withdraw from your bank and pay for various other services or goods that you want to purchase. So when you use return in real life Python functions, it's like what you can use it to reuse the output from a particular function in other functions. It's as simple as that. And if you need more information about that, you can check the previous video I did on Python functions. Today we're going to be doing that practically right now. I've created the first function, which is adding two numbers together and returning a result. Now I'm going to be creating a second function which I want to use this second function to multiply the output of the first function times 2 and give me a final result. Now before I go ahead, I'm just simply going to let me even get my first function to work. I call my first function step 1 equal to, I type the name of the function and I put an open bracket, I put 3 and comma 4 just to be sure that my first function is working, and I print my first function. I print step 1 just to be sure that my first function is working fine. Now you can see that 7, right? That is saying that 3 plus 4 equals 7 according to my first function. Now let us now do my second function. Let us do step 2. I say step 2 equals what? Square, which is the name of my second function. Then I now put the name of, I assign step 1 to be the variable that will hold the output of my first function. So I put step 1 in brackets. So what this is trying to say is that multiply the output of step 1 by 2, and let us now print step 2 rather, which is the final output. Once we do this, voila, isn't that interesting? 14. So this is trying to tell you that 3 plus 4 is 7, which is the first output from the first function. When you multiply by the output from the second function, which is 2, that is giving you 14. Let us try another one again. Let's say 4, 6. 4 plus 6 is 10. First output from first function. Once you multiply by 2 from the second function, you're supposed to get 20. So let us see if we're going to get 20. Yeah. Wow, isn't that amazing? If you just gotten to this point, you've built a simple project with Python, right? So quickly for you, a quick challenge. Try it out. This time you can change the signs. You can use multiplication for the first one and division for the second one. Once you do that, type done in the comment section. See you. Bye bye, and thank you for joining me. Bye bye.